everything clear now. 2-1 in the beast. I don't need it. I wanna eat it. 2-seater.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tara Fajita. Y'all, today, as you seen on the thumbnail, I will be doing another meal prep. Y'all, we are on week 3. If you've ever been on a weight loss journey and you're starting it over, you know how hard it is to get through the first and the second week of your journey. But y'all, thank God we have endured. We're going to continue so we can see the progress. And so y'all, just to get to it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does not cost you a thing. It is free. So on today's menu, we're having a fajita bowl, shrimp taco, and also honey garlic salmon with a side of mixed vegetables. So y'all stay tuned so y'all can see how I'm gonna prep this. To begin, I pre-cleaned my meat with vinegar and lemon, and then I set it on parchment paper and seasoned it with Cavender's all-purpose onion powder and black pepper and the starter shoulder fajita seasoning. Then I placed the boneless, skinless chicken thighs in the skillet with hot grease to get those seared on both sides. Next, I am now cutting the vegetables for the fajita bowl, and I'm using onion, red bell pepper, and a green bell pepper. Now that the meat has been seared on both sides, I'm going to add the peppers and onions for the fajita bowl. And I'm also going to start preparing the shrimp by seasoning with the taco seasoning. And then I'll be preparing the honey garlic salmon for that meal as well. So to make the honey garlic sauce, I use garlic paste, honey, lemon, and mix that around. I also add butter in the skillet. So once they got thick, I actually add the salmon, and then I drain the water after it cooked and let the salmon sear on both sides. Right here, I am making the mixed vegetables that will go with the salmon dish, and basically just add butter to the skillet, some seasoning to the vegetables, and let it cook. So we have made it to the final step, and that is to plate the dishes. So watch me while I plate the dishes, and also check out how many calories are in each dish. Done with the meal prep. So it took me an hour and 50 minutes, well, I would say 2 hours with just cooking the meal. So for the week, that will give us we'll be having 2 meals a day, and my kids may nibble on the other 2. But for breakfast, y'all, we will be having an egg. Well, I will be having an egg and a toast. That's my go-to, or some Cheerios and milk. And my husband, he fasts up until lunch. So he only eats between about 12 p.m. and 6 or 7 p.m. But with me, it depends. If I'm working from home, I'll fast during the day up until lunchtime. But when I'm at work, I'll go give me some breakfast around 8 o'clock. So I basically eat until from like 8 to 5, basically Wednesday through Friday. But yes, y'all, so don't forget I did link the meals in the description, so check them out. And let me know if these are meals that you and your family love to enjoy. Or, let me know. Give me some suggestions for my next meal prep, because I will be doing this next week as well, showing y'all what we're eating on this weight loss journey. I hope y'all can tell I did lose a little weight. So we are 2 weeks in and we have 2 more weeks to go. So this is our 3rd week we're working on. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.
To me, I see everything clear.